What if your next car could last a lifetime? The 2025 Consumer Reports reliability rankings are in, and the results will shock you. But the real surprise? The best one isn't even from a luxury brand. If you're thinking about buying a new car in 2025, you need to see this 7 cars list before you make a decision. Stick around, because the #1 pick might just change your mind forever. 7th place, Hyundai Tucson. Hyundai's transformation from a budget-focused manufacturer to a reliability leader represents one of the automotive industry's most remarkable success stories. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson exemplifies this evolution, incorporating advanced engineering technologies that rival established competitors. The Tucson's reliability improvements stem from Hyundai's comprehensive quality control initiatives, including extensive real-world testing programs that simulate years of ownership conditions within controlled environments. The Tucson's sophisticated diagnostic systems represent a significant advancement in preventive maintenance technology. These systems continuously monitor critical components and alert drivers to potential issues before they develop into costly repairs. The available hybrid powertrain combines efficiency with reliability, utilizing proven electric motor technology integrated with Hyundai's refined 2.5-liter gasoline engine. This combination delivers impressive fuel economy while maintaining the mechanical simplicity that contributes to long-term dependability. 6th place, Lexus NX. Luxury vehicles traditionally struggle with long-term reliability due to complex systems and expensive maintenance requirements. But the Lexus NX challenges these conventional limitations. Built upon Toyota's proven engineering foundation, the NX delivers premium features without compromising the dependability that defines the Lexus brand. The vehicle incorporates Toyota's legendary quality control processes while adding luxury-specific enhancements that maintain reliability standards. The 2025 NX features advanced corrosion protection systems, including specialized electrical connections designed to resist environmental degradation. The vehicle's suspension components utilize premium materials engineered for extended service life, even under demanding driving conditions. Lexus engineers have incorporated sophisticated diagnostic capabilities that monitor system performance and predict maintenance needs, allowing owners to address potential issues proactively. The turbocharged 2.4-liter engine delivers 275 horsepower while maintaining Toyota's reputation for smooth, long-lasting performance through hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. 5th place, Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V maintains its position as a cornerstone of compact SUV reliability, though recent data presents interesting developments in its competitive standing. The 2025 Honda CR-V gets a JD reliability score of 86, which puts it in the best category, score of 81 to 90. This impressive score reflects Honda's continued commitment to engineering excellence and quality manufacturing processes. The CR-V's enduring appeal stems from its sophisticated balance of practicality, efficiency, and long-term durability, making it an ideal choice for families requiring dependable transportation. The 2025 CR-V benefits from Honda's refined turbocharged 1.5-liter engine and available hybrid powertrain, both engineered for extended service life. These powertrains utilize advanced materials and precision manufacturing techniques that minimize wear and extend maintenance intervals. The vehicle's robust construction includes corrosion-resistant steel panels and advanced protective coatings that preserve structural integrity across diverse climate conditions. 4th place, Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla continues to represent the pinnacle of compact car reliability, maintaining its reputation through decades of proven performance. Since its introduction in 1966, the Corolla has established itself as one of history's most dependable vehicles, with numerous examples exceeding 300,000 miles through routine maintenance alone. The vehicle's exceptional longevity stems from Toyota's philosophy of conservative engineering that prioritizes reliability over complex features. The Corolla's naturally aspirated powertrain avoids the complexity and maintenance requirements associated with turbocharged engines, utilizing proven technology that minimizes potential failure points. Toyota's commitment to quality extends throughout the vehicle's construction, including rust-resistant body panels, durable interior materials, and precisely manufactured mechanical components. The Corolla's simplified electronic systems reduce diagnostic complexity and ensure that maintenance remains straightforward and affordable throughout the vehicle's extended service life. Third place, Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius revolutionized automotive efficiency while establishing new standards for hybrid vehicle reliability. Since 1997, the Prius has demonstrated that advanced hybrid technology can achieve exceptional durability when properly engineered and manufactured. Toyota's continuous refinement of hybrid battery technology has resulted in power systems that often last as long as the vehicles themselves, challenging earlier concerns about hybrid component longevity. Modern Prius models utilize lithium-ion battery technology that offers improved efficiency and significantly extended service life compared to earlier nickel-metal hydride systems. The vehicle's regenerative braking system reduces wear on traditional brake components, contributing to lower maintenance costs and extended component life. Toyota's sophisticated cooling systems prevent overheating of critical hybrid components, ensuring optimal performance across diverse operating conditions. The Prius demonstrates that environmental responsibility and long-term reliability can coexist through thoughtful engineering and quality manufacturing. Second place, Toyota RAV4. Despite recent competitive challenges, the Toyota RAV4 maintains its position as a reliability benchmark in the compact SUV segment. The RAV4's enduring success stems from Toyota's commitment to proven engineering principles that prioritize longevity over complexity. The vehicle's 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, represents a refined combination of efficiency and durability that has been extensively tested across millions of miles of real-world operation. The 2025 RAV4 falls short at 76, which puts it in the average category, 70 to 80. While this represents a competitive challenge, the RAV4's long-term reliability reputation remains strong based on extensive owner experience data. Toyota's use of timing chains rather than belts reduces maintenance requirements and extends service intervals, while rust-resistant body panels and reinforced chassis construction ensure structural durability across diverse climate conditions. The RAV4's emphasis on mechanical simplicity over electronic complexity reduces potential failure points and maintains straightforward diagnostic procedures. First place, Subaru Forester. Long a practical choice among compact SUVs, the Subaru Forester was redesigned for 2025 and is now better than ever. The makeover added refinements throughout the cabin, without straying from the winning formula that has made the Forester a regular among CR's top picks. The Forester's exceptional reliability stems from Subaru's signature symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which distributes power evenly to all four wheels rather than engaging selectively. This constant engagement reduces stress on drivetrain components and provides superior traction control across varied driving conditions. Subaru's horizontally opposed boxer engine design contributes significantly to the Forester's longevity through reduced vibration and lower center of gravity. The horizontal piston arrangement minimizes engine wear compared to traditional vertical configurations, resulting in smoother operation and extended component life. Of Subaru's 7 models in our survey, 2, the Forester and Impreza, have well above average reliability scores, while the Crosstrek, Legacy, Outback, and Ascent rate above average and average. This consistent performance across Subaru's lineup demonstrates the manufacturer's commitment to reliability through shared engineering excellence and quality manufacturing processes. The automotive reliability landscape continues evolving as manufacturers adapt to changing consumer expectations and technological advances. According to the survey, the brands that make up the top 5 remain the same as last year, but it is Subaru which now holds the #1 spot, becoming the single most reliable car brand. When selecting a vehicle for long-term ownership, comprehensive research, including reliability scores, owner reviews, and real-world longevity data, provides essential guidance for making informed decisions that balance initial cost with long-term value. Subscribe to stay informed about the latest automotive reliability data and expert analysis that can save you thousands in ownership costs.